Welcome to the world of holistic wellness. This approach to health is about more than just your physical body. It's about caring for your mind and spirit too. Holistic wellness sees you as a whole person. It recognizes that all these parts of you are connected. When one part is out of balance, it can affect everything else. Imagine a garden. If you only water one plant, the rest will struggle. Holistic wellness is like being a gardener for your own well-being. You give attention to all areas of your life. This helps you thrive in every way. Holistic wellness empowers you to take charge of your health. You're not just relying on doctors or medicine, you're actively participating in your own healing journey. This can be incredibly empowering. It allows you to make choices that support your overall well-being. In a world that often feels rushed and stressful, holistic wellness offers a path to peace and balance. It's about slowing down, listening to your body, and making choices that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Let's explore the principles of holistic living together. Holistic living rests on several key pillars. These principles work together to create a balanced and healthy life. Let's delve into each one. Nutrition. Food is medicine. What you eat has a profound impact on your physical and mental health. Choose whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nourish your body from the inside out. Herbal remedies. Nature provides a wealth of healing plants. Herbal remedies can support your body's natural ability to heal. For example, chamomile tea can soothe digestion and promote sleep. Always consult with a qualified herbalist before using new herbs, especially if you are pregnant or have any health conditions. Fitness. Moving your body is essential for both physical and mental health. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or practicing yoga. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Mindfulness. Your mind is powerful. Mindfulness practices like meditation and deep breathing can help you manage stress, reduce anxiety, and improve your overall well-being. Take a few minutes each day to simply be present and observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Let's explore some practical ways to incorporate natural remedies and good nutrition into your daily routine. DIY home remedies. Sore throat soother. Gargle with warm salt water, 1/4 teaspoon salt in 1 cup of water to soothe a sore throat. Add a squeeze of lemon for extra relief. Headache. Helper. Apply a cold compress to your forehead or the back of your neck to ease a tension headache. Peppermint oil, diluted in a carrier oil, can also be massaged into the temples. Digestive support. Ginger is a natural digestive aid. Try sipping on ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to your meals. Nutrition tips. Hydrate wisely. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for half your body weight in ounces. Rainbow on your plate. Eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Each color provides different nutrients. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Choose foods that energize you and avoid those that make you feel sluggish or unwell. Beyond nutrition and natural remedies, holistic wellness emphasizes the importance of caring for your mind and spirit. Fitness for a sound mind and body. Exercise is not just about physical health, it profoundly impacts your mental well-being. When you move your body, your brain releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Find an activity you love, whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or practicing yoga, and make it a regular part of your routine. Mindfulness for inner peace. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected. Mindfulness practices such as meditation and deep breathing offer a pathway to inner peace. These practices involve paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Even a few minutes of daily mindfulness can make a difference in your stress levels, focus, and overall sense of well-being. Alternative therapies. Explore alternative therapies like acupuncture, massage therapy, or aromatherapy. These modalities can address a wide range of physical and emotional concerns, promoting relaxation and restoring balance. Remember, holistic wellness is a journey, not a destination. It's about making gradual, sustainable changes that support your overall well-being. Embrace the power of natural remedies, nourish your body with wholesome foods, and cultivate a balanced mind and spirit. You have the power to create a healthier, happier you.